my name is Suvieelassh and today I'm going to be talking about why I love my country. Before I start, I would like to tell a quote for my country. Many people call it the middle of nowhere. I call it the center of my world. So let's hop into the topic. So first, I'm going to be comparing my country to other countries. For example, everyone's favorite, the United States. Why do I think Malaysia is kind of better than United States? One, because they do have a lot of cultures there, a lot of them. But somehow they are not united together and they are really aggressive. For example, I saw a case where at the United States there was kidnapping happening, there was random shooting happening from nowhere. But if I was at United States, I would leave immediately because I don't want to have someone shooting at me. Even though it's a great experience. No, I'm just kidding. It's a bad experience. Do not try that at home. Second thing is, we have cultures and we are really united. Yes, there are some moments where there are some crimes happening in Malaysia, but we're never breaking the relationship we have with our cultures, and we are always united. Any culture, Indians, Chinese, Malay, all of them are always united. That's why I love my country. Next, I did some big research about why Malaysia is very good and why you should love them. For example, based on my research, I saw that Malaysia has a well-developed infrastructure and also including the transportations for the public. There's also very modern health facilities in Malaysia that are very useful for the future. And there is also a very reliable network in Malaysia. That's why Malaysia is really special. Thirdly, the last reason I really like my country is that this country is really unique with foods, languages and cultures. And I love the wildlife. And that's what Malaysia has a really special thing about. For example, Malaysia is a country that has a lot of orangutans, and one of the most historical places is the Taman Negara. It's a very historical place, but I've never visited it. So one day I wish I can visit that place. We also have a lot of monuments here. For example, the second tallest building in the world, the Merdeka 118, or the Petronas Twin Towers, for example. These are all the special things about Malaysia. So that's all for today. Which is your favorite country? Thank you for listening to my speech and goodbye.